nuts and bolts for electrical installations. The unsung heroes of electrical installations, bolts. When we think of electrical installations, we often picture complex wiring diagrams and powerful machinery. However, there's a crucial component that often goes unnoticed: the humble bolt. These seemingly simple fasteners play a vital role in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The versatile hex head bolt, a workhorse in electrical installations. General purpose powerhouse, hex head bolts are the most common type used in electrical installations. Their versatility stems from their hexagonal head, which can be easily tightened or loosened using a wrench. Adaptable to various thicknesses, the unthreaded section under the head allows for fastening thicker materials, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Socket cap screws, a sleek solution for precise fastening. Low-profile elegance, socket cap screws are ideal for applications where a low-profile head is required, such as in enclosed equipment or where a clean, finished look is desired. Resist drive for added protection. The resist drive prevents damage to the screw head and provides a secure fit. Elevator bolts, a specialized fastener for specific applications. Designed for tight spaces, elevator bolts are specifically designed for use in confined areas, such as elevator shafts and conveyor systems. Flush-mounted design, the large, flat head of an elevator bolt sits flush with the surface when tightened, minimizing the risk of snagging or causing obstructions. Beyond the basics, other essential bolt types. Cup square bolts. These bolts are commonly used in woodworking to prevent the bolt from turning while the nut is tightened, ensuring a secure joint. Lag bolts, heavy-duty fasteners. Lag bolts are ideal for securing heavy timber or other wood applications. Carriage bolts, with a smooth, rounded head and a square shank. Carriage bolts are used in woodworking and furniture making to prevent the bolt from turning. Hanger bolts. These bolts have no head but feature a threaded body on one end and a wood screw thread on the other, making them perfect for hanging objects from wood surfaces. Choosing the right bolt for the job. Key considerations. When selecting bolts for electrical installations, consider the following factors. Material. The bolt material should be compatible with the application and the environment. Stainless steel is often used in outdoor or corrosive environments. Size and thread. The bolt size and thread pitch must be appropriate for the specific application. Load capacity. The bolt must be able to withstand the load it will be subjected to. Torque. Proper torque is essential to ensure a secure and reliable connection. Conclusion. By understanding the different types of bolts and their specific applications, electrical professionals can select the right fasteners to ensure the safety and longevity of their installations.